Welcome to the End Content Company YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Lian O11 Dynamic Mini Snow Edition. The link to this product will be in the description below. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content revolving around technology. We believe in transparent reviews. We want to hold companies accountable for the claims they make. This video is not sponsored. Today we will be discussing a computer case from the company Lian. Founded in 1983, Lian is a family-owned designer and manufacturer of high-quality PC cases and accessories. Their motto is, "Feel the difference." Lian believes in the philosophy that a product should stand out from everything else. Based on the products we have seen from this company, we believe they do take their philosophy seriously and make eye-catching products. There are some limitations and points of improvement, of course, though. Let's begin the unboxing experience for the mini case Snow Edition. Do note, this case comes in a black version as well if you don't like the white. When you first open the box, there is a smaller box with accessories and extra screws. One neat feature is that it comes with some zip ties for you to have clean wire management. This is where the extender is if you want to use a full-size motherboard and other pieces if needed for the case. The included extender for full-size motherboards is a very innovative touch. This opens an array of options as far as motherboards for this mini computer. The case comes packaged securely with foam pieces to make it a snug fit. It also comes fully wrapped in plastic so no scratches occur in shipping. As you can see in this case, there is a lot of ventilation on the back and the bottom for adequate airflow. The two large glass panels give you a great view of your components. There are also dust covers on the top, bottom, and back of the case to help with dust management. We like that they are white and match the case so they are not too visible. There are a lot of different configurations you can do with this case, so we highly recommend checking out the Lian website to see the manual if you are interested. One interesting accessory for this case is a vertical GPU mount. If you would like to see a review of this mount, the link is in the description. Now let's get into the review. We give the design 4.5 stars. The Mini is a compact computer case that offers a sleek and modern design while providing ample space for hardware and cooling. The case has a high-quality build, with a clean aesthetic that would complement any setup. The front panel is made of tempered glass, which allows for a clear view of the hardware inside. Many other case manufacturers are mimicking Lian's design. We give utility 4 stars. The case is also very versatile, with multiple options for cable management and plenty of room for customization. We give the value 4 stars. A Mini is a great option for those who are looking for a compact case that offers premium build quality and design. Despite its small size, the case is capable of housing high-performance hardware, making it a great choice for a small form-factor gaming or workstation PC. Overall, the Lian O11 Mini is a great choice for those who value aesthetics and functionality in their PC builds, but wants a small compact package. If you are interested in seeing more of a build using this case, check out our Season 1 build. The links are in the description. Would you buy this case? Or do you own this case? Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification to stay up to date on our latest videos. Don't forget to let us know what you would like us to review in the future. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.